3 turns. Hope you guys are ready for this one. We are going to start with the back inside edge warm-up. Try to balance as long as you can. Upper body is twisted, shoulders aligned over the circle, shoulders over the hips, over the skating leg. Just press into that blade, sit, and see how long you can ride it out for. This is going to mimic the position we are in right before we do our back 3 turn. We got this, guys. Let's go ahead and try our back inside 3 turn. We're going to go into it, big push. We're going to think about pushing our hip out. Initiate the turn, look where we're turning, bend, rock back to the heel of the blade, turn, and then we're going to go back forward. So ball of the foot, back to the heel, back to the ball of the foot. After we turn, squeeze the thighs together so your legs stay nice and compact. Beginners to the heel position, more dips. Feel free to point the leg forwards. Let's try it out. A common mistake is to push our butt out right before we turn. So be sure to tuck that hip underneath yourself.